Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Laika Del Rosario, 31 years old, single. I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters. I am a college graduate of Business Administration, major in marketing. This is my first time to work abroad, but I have work experience here in Philippines. I serve a couple family with 2 children, a 4 years old and a newborn baby. My duties and responsibilities as a helper are doing household chores like cleaning the house, cooking, washing clothes, ironing clothes, gardening, marketing, and especially taking good care of children. Ma'am and sir, please hire me. I am willing to learn everything. I am an honest, responsible, hardworking, flexible, and can do multitasking. I will promise I will do my best to serve your family. I will promise I will finish my 2 years contract. Thank you.